Hello everyone, welcome to Abundant Dreamers. We hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be talking about different types of mindset humans generally fall into, especially what distinguishes a successful one to another. Failures can be painful. Our mind plays an essential role in how we think and, frankly, act. When we see successful people around us, what do we tell ourselves? They're God-gifted, talented, coming from a good family, basically lucky? Or do we believe that they're successful because of their hard work, their innovative and creative ideas, their privilege to good mentorship, and that they keep improving? They may have different contributing factors to their success, but it's arguable one thing they have in common is that they are focused and determined. This also relates to the theory that people generally have either fixed mindset or growth mindset. By the end of this video, we will show you how to commit to a path of growth and improvement. But before that, let's discuss what exactly those two mindsets are. Okay, let's dive into the fixed mindset. Stanford professor Carol Dweck proposed a theory about fixed mindset in her book, Mindset: The New Psychology of Success. She explains that people with a fixed mindset believe in their intelligence and talents as an innate gift, which means that our capabilities, way of handling our actions, confidence in our decisions, and other such qualities remain unchangeable. The way of thinking of the people with this mindset is and has always been the same. If such people believe that they're incapable of doing specific work, they keep thinking the same throughout their life. They get a fixed mindset, and unfortunately, it leads to them underestimating their potential. They think of failures as a collaboration of their lack of abilities and intelligence that prevent them from achieving their goals. In a fixed mindset, talent is the base of success, which cannot be improved with time. In other words, it remains a fixed trait. Any person with a fixed mindset believes that they are either best or worst at something based on their inheritable nature. For example, if a person says, "I'm a good artist," or "I am no good at art," believing that their artistic skills cannot be improved, the person with a fixed mindset may give up easily, avoid challenges, and ignore negative feedback, which needs concern. On the other hand, we also have what Professor Dweck calls the growth mindset. The people who believe they can improve their capabilities, talents, and skills through hard work, dedication, and learning are the people who have what we call the growth mindset. Most companies accept a growth mindset. Their employees get constant organizational supports, trainings, seminars, and workshops for revolution and collaboration. However, people usually confuse a growth mindset with being open-minded and having a positive aspect, qualities they believe they have always had. But this is not precisely what a growth mindset is. Every individual is a mixture of growth and fixed mindsets, and that mixture evolves with time and experience. An unadulterated growth mindset doesn't exist. Some believe that a growth mindset is all about appreciating and rewarding effort. It isn't true for either a student or an employee. Outcomes matter for an appreciation and reward. Unproductive outcome or effort is never praised. However, it's critical to reward such effort and emphasize the processes, such as seeking aid from others, following new strategies, and capitalizing on moving ahead effectively. People with a growth mindset usually believe in these things. 1. Everyone makes mistakes, and one can learn from their mistake. 2. I only fall when I stop trying and give up. Embody a growth mindset, and great things will happen. Companies or organizations that embody a growth mindset encourage risk-taking. They reward and praise their employees for valuable lessons learned, even if their strategies don't exactly meet the original goal. They focus on the growth of every member and continuously reinforce their growth values with concrete policy. So, we can see that the two mindsets simply are distinct and they result in different actions as well. People with fixed mindset think that capabilities, intelligence, thoughts, and talents are fixed. It's who and what we are genetically or by birth. They avoid challenges and give up easily. Often, they feel jealous or threatened by the success of their competitors. They ignore negative feedback even though it may hamper their productivity. They avoid new learnings with the fear of failure and dissatisfaction. They look for people who can boost up their self-esteem. They focus too much on the outcomes, which may lead to cheating. Meanwhile, people with growth mindset know that their capabilities, talents, and intelligence can be improved through hard work and practice. They are willing to correct their errors. They are often inspired by others' success. They accept criticism as a lesson learned from others, and they learn from their failures. They look for people who help them grow, and they focus on the process of learning without stressing too much of that outcomes that may eventually lead to improvements and collaborations. In her book, Professor Carol Dweck connects these two mindsets. She mentions that entering a mindset means entering a new world. First is the world of fixed traits. Success is about proving that you are talented and capable. And then the other world is about challenging qualities, learning something new, and developing yourself. As we have said at the beginning, we are going to show you how you can commit to a path of growth and improvement. You can use these strategies to shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. 1. Tell yourself a different story. Telling a story to oneself has a lot of power. When we come across hardships or difficult situations in life, we interpret them depending on our account. So, the first step to cultivate a growth mindset is to change how we talk to ourselves. Instead of telling yourself that, I am not good enough, I am incapable of learning new things, I give up because I don't have enough potential to achieve it, this is tough. Tell yourself that, it's okay if I fail. I will do better next time. I can do it because I am capable. I can improve. I will do hard work. 2. Set learning goals. Focus on learning every day, not on seeking or achieving certain goals. For example, instead of obsessing about losing 10 kilograms of weight, focus on eating healthier each day. Remember, we can always choose a path to work hard, practice, and put effort. 3. Learn from failures. One can learn a lot from failures instead of running away. One can improve by reviewing them, identifying what led them to fail, and devising new ideas or plans to correct their previous mistakes. 4. Know the basics before performing. Accepting challenges and setting out to do what's illogical or impractical are the two different things. Imagine solving algebra without knowing the trigonometry formulas or climbing mountains without knowing your stamina and strength. Goldilocks tasks are your abilities. It's neither too easy nor too difficult. And number 5, be consistent. One cannot shift their mindset from fixed to growth in a day. It requires practice and certainly time. You can start by asking questions to yourself. By asking questions as you work toward the growth mindset, you can improve better. The questions you can ask, such as what made us choose one mindset over the other, and are we improving? Since all human beings are unique, the improvement might depend on their acceptance, as what works for one, it can't work for the other in the same way. By doing these 5 things, you may find out that you are actually capable of doing anything as long as you are willing. Ida Wu Koyanikan says, the mind is just like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets, and the more it can expand. That is it for this video. We hope you find it helpful and encouraging. Comment below and let us know if this video can use some improvements, or if you have any topics you'd like us to talk about in the next video. Subscribe to see more of many great ideas to lead you to become a better person. Thank you for watching.